You can either bring it in or we can just drive it off here. We'll just do it.
It doesn't rain.
Oh.
We're expecting a sight unseen Volkswagen Touareg to get dropped off by a car carrier. We purchased it, sight unseen from far north Queensland. So it's about, I don't know, 18 hours away or something. So we didn't go and look at it. It was pretty cheap. It has some known issues, and those issues shouldn't affect what, it's got an issue with it's got some dents on the body panels. We don't care. And it has an issue with the power steering, which we're not going to use. So that got the price down, and hopefully the rest of it works for us. Yeah, it's a beast. It's a big but ugly four-wheel drive. It doesn't look like modern powerful four-wheel drives, which have nice big flares and stuff on it. This thing looks like an 80s Volvo. It's just a blob.
But inside is there?
Inside, it's the R50 model, so it's the V10. It's got all the luxury. It's got air suspension and locking diffs and leather seats and everything.
Might be able to part it out.
Yeah, hopefully we might make money on it, yeah.
Now we'll push it back and swing it into where we'll move that white four-wheel drive. Have we got keys for the steering lock? We're going to need a few people to push.
Manual override on the boot. Just doesn't stay open.
Might need a bigger battery.
Yeah. How much does this look like? The top of the RC car.
I don't know if it's even got a battery in it, man.
Oh yeah, that could be why we can't find it. We've taken delivery, but we can't find the battery, so we can't jump start it. We can't do anything. And because every feature's electric, we can't open like the tailgate. And so we're just resorting to Googling how to find the battery. And it looks like we probably have to remove the driver's seat or maybe the passenger seat. We have to remove the seat.
Yeah, like this box here. Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
It looks like it could be like an air filter box, but I think that's the battery. Yeah, look.
Alright, I think we're good. Battery! Now we have eyeballs on the battery. Well, it has a battery. That's the update. We found the battery and it's been sitting dead for a while, so it might be no good, but we'll try to put some charge into it and see if we can start her up.
Look at these. Serious.
Yeah, we found a battery in the back inside the spare wheel, which might actually be the main starter battery, and the other one under the seat might be the auxiliary battery for all the electrical toys it has.
So still waiting for this battery, maybe.
Yeah, it's got a compact space saver spare tyre that it's stored in the back of the car, deflated, and when you inflate them, they suddenly pop, bang, and the inside wall folds out and it becomes a full-size tyre. You want a bunker, don't you? It could be a 20-year-old tyre.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, just give me a sec. Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
not moving. Like if we move a little bit, we'll get it to turn. But it's stiff. There's no surprises except that, the general condition of it, interior, is awful. But we don't care.
The engine.
We only want the engine. The engine's good, so happy. Is something slipping?
What are you doing?
Or am I spinning a wheel?
Just looks like you got the handbrake on or the brakes on.
Oh,
Yeah?
it's stuck in third.
Oh,
Right.
It's stuck in third because it's unhappy about something.
right.
It's in limp mode. It's in limp mode. It's in limp mode.
Cool. So now you got to get to the point where you can turn it back on and actually start it.